Hey everyone! Welcome back to episode 6 of The Secret of Us. We're continuing with more new words and sentences today. If you missed the earlier lessons, be sure to check them out. And if you're enjoying these lessons, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
ไหนว่ามาไหนว่ามา
means so, tell me, or what's up, tell me. It is a casual way of asking someone to explain or continue with what they were going to say. The word
ไหนไหน
here sets up a question, implying curiosity or readiness to listen.
ว่ามาว่ามา
Follows, which directly means say it or speak. Together, the phrase is used to prompt someone to explain something they were about to say, similar to saying, okay, go ahead, tell me. This phrase is often used in informal or conversational tie to encourage someone to speak up or share more details, showing that you're ready to listen to what they have to say.
ไหนว่ามาไหนว่ามาก็ไม่มีอะไรก็ไม่มีอะไร
means, well, there's nothing, or well, it's nothing.
ก็
Here can serve as a softener, making the response sound more casual and nonchalant, similar to saying well in English, to lessen the importance of what follows.
ไม่
Means no or not and
มี
means to have or there is. Together, they form.
ไม่มี
Meaning there isn't or doesn't exist.
อะไร
A question word meaning what. In this context, it means anything or something and combined with
ไม่มี
means nothing.
ก็ไม่มีอะไรก็ไม่มีอะไรแค่ดีกันแล้วแค่ดีกันแล้ว
means we've just made up or we've only just reconciled.
แค่
Means just or only.
ดีกัน
Means to make up, to reconcile, or to get back on good terms.
แล้ว
Used as a general marker to indicate that an action has been completed, similar to already in English. It can also mean and then or after that, depending on the context.
แค่ดีกันแล้วแค่ดีกันแล้วฉันรู้ว่าแกเป็นห่วงฉันรู้ว่าแกเป็นห่วง
Means I know that you are worried.
ฉัน
I or me. First person pronoun used by female speakers to refer to themselves.
รู้
Means to know.
ว่า
Means that. Introduces the content or object of what the speaker knows.
แก่
In Thai can be used informally to refer to you or he, she, depending on the context. It is often used in casual, familiar settings, particularly among friends or peers. Women tend to use this word more frequently when speaking with close friends, but men can use it as well, although it may sound more effeminate when used by males. In conversation, it adds a sense of familiarity and intimacy. It's often heard in relaxed, informal situations and should not be used in formal or professional settings.
เป็นห่วง
Means to be concerned about or to be worried about someone or something.
ฉันรู้ว่าแกเป็นห่วงฉันรู้ว่าแกเป็นห่วงก็ฉันรักเขาก็ฉันรักเขา
means but I love her.
ก็
It adds a casual, almost explanatory tone, similar to saying well or but.
รัก รัก
Means to love.
เขา เขา
Means her. It is a third-person pronoun that can mean either he, him, she, or they depending on the context.
อ่า
Here, it adds a tone of vulnerability or emotional expression, as if the speaker is explaining their feelings in a gentle, almost pleading manner.
ก็ฉันรักเขาอ่ะก็ฉันรักเขาอ่ะฉันให้อภัยเขาหมดแล้วฉันให้อภัยเขาหมดแล้ว
Means, I have completely forgiven her.
ให้อภัย ให้อภัย
Means, to forgive.
หมด หมด
Means, completely, entirely.
แล้ว แล้ว
Means, already.
ฉันให้อภัยเขาหมดแล้วฉันให้อภัยเขาหมดแล้วพวกแกฉันขอโทษฉันรู้พวกแกฉันขอโทษฉันรู้
Means, you guys. I'm sorry, I know.
พวกแก พวกแก
Means, you guys or all of you. Informal or casual way to refer to a group of people.
ฉันขอโทษ ฉันขอโทษ
Means, I'm sorry.
รู้ รู้
Means no.
พวกแกฉันขอโทษฉันรู้พวกแกฉันขอโทษฉันรู้เบิดคำสิเว้าเบิดคำสิเว้า
Is an expression from the Isaan dialect spoken in the northeastern region of Thailand that translates to no words left to say or I have nothing more to say. It's used when someone feels speechless, often due to shock, frustration, or being overwhelmed. The phrase conveys strong emotions, similar to saying I'm out of words in English.
เบิด เบิด
Means finished or nothing left.
คำ คำ
Means words.
สิเว้า สิเว้า
Means to speak or to say.
เบิดคำสิเว้าเบิดคำสิเว้าขอบใจนะเพื่อนขอบใจนะเพื่อน
Means thanks, guys, or thanks, friends.
ขอบใจ ขอบใจ
Is a more casual way of saying thank you and is typically used among friends, peers, or when speaking to younger people or subordinates. It conveys appreciation in an informal context, while
ขอบคุณ
the most commonly used phrase for thank you, suitable for most situations. Additionally,
ขอบพระคุณ
a more respectful version of thank you, used when addressing someone of higher status or when being particularly polite.
นะ นะ
A particle used to soften the sentence and make it sound more friendly.
เพื่อน เพื่อน
Can mean both friend and friends, depending on the context. Thai does not distinguish between singular and plural nouns in the same way as English does. Instead, the context of the sentence or conversation makes it clear whether you're talking about one friend or multiple friends.
ขอบใจนะเพื่อนรักนะขอบใจนะเพื่อน
That's it for today.
รักนะ
In the next video, we'll continue with more useful Thai phrases from this episode of the series. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support means a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next lesson.